Laptop information for beginners. For beginners, here are key aspects to consider when looking at laptops. Number 1. Operating System OS. Choose between Windows, Mac OS, or Linux based on your preference and requirements. Number 2. Processor CPU. Look for a modern processor, for example Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 for good performance in daily tasks. Number 3. RAM Random Access Memory. Aim for at least 8 GB RAM for smooth multitasking. 16 GB is ideal for more demanding tasks. Number 4. Storage. Choose between HDD, more storage, and SSD, faster performance. And SSD is recommended for better speed. Number 5. Graphics GPU. Integrated graphics are fine for basic use, but consider a dedicated GPU if you plan on gaming or video editing. Number 6. Display. Full HD 1920 multiplied by 1080. Resolution is standard. Consider a higher resolution for photo video editing or a better viewing experience. Number 7. Battery life. Looking for a laptop with good battery life if you need portability. Number 8. Port. Ensure the laptop has the necessary port for your needs like USB, HDMI, and SD card slot. Number 9. Build quality. Consider the build material and overall build quality for durability. Number 10. Weight and size. If portability is a priority, choose a lightweight and compact laptop. Number 11. Keyboard and trackpad. Check for comfortable typing and responsive trackpad. Number 12. Budget. Determine your budget beforehand and find a laptop that offers the best value within that range. Number 13. Brand reputation. Consider reputable brands known for reliability and customer support. Remember to think about your specific use case, whether it's for work, studies, gaming, or entertainment, to ensure the laptop meets your requirements. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you so much.